Green, blue, red, yellow, and purple.
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Now teacher will ask you to read. If you read without a teacher's help or your parents' help, your car will move 2 blocks. If when you read, you need teacher's help or you need your parents' help, your car will only move 1 box only. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Read it out. Good. 2 box. Okay, next.
The big red big team.
Good. Another 2 box. Next.
Team got mad.
Good. Okay, another 2 box. Next.
Him.
Good. Another 2 box. Wow, wants to arrive finish. Okay, last one.
The big red big team.
Good. Okay, arrive finish. Okay.